Al-Bair School.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear children. How are you? Are you fine? Are you happy? I think all of you are enjoying your studies at home. You are studying well. Very good. Good students. Today, in our class, we are going to study a new chapter. Before that, I am going to show you a picture. Please look at our screen. What do you see in the screen? What is it? Yes, it's a brush. Let me ask you, for what we use this brush? Who will tell? Okay, tell me, for what we should use a brush? Yes, to clean our teeth, to brush our teeth. Very good. So, we are doing a lot of things in our life to clean our body. Can you say what are they? What are the things we are doing every day to clean our body, to keep our body clean and healthy? Your mom is there with you? Your mom is helping you to study? Yes. Do you remember what does our mom do in our home every day? Do you remember? What are the things our mom is doing in our home every day? Yes, mom is cleaning our room every day. You know what will happen if our mom is not cleaning our room, our house? Yes, if our mother is not cleaning our house every day, our house will be dirty. Our house will be untidy. Like that, we have to keep our body clean and healthy. If we are not cleaning our body, it will be dirty. Let me ask you, what are the things that we do every day to keep our body clean and healthy? We can say, you look at the picture. All of you, please look at the screen. There is a picture. What is that picture? Yes, one boy is taking baths. So, we are taking baths every day. Why we should take baths every day? Yes, to keep our body clean, we should take baths every day. Yes, look at another picture. Yes, one girl is brushing her teeth. I am asking you, did you brush your teeth today? Did you brush your teeth today? Yes, please raise your hands if you brushed your teeth today. Please raise your hand if you brushed today. Yes, good, good, good. All of you have brushed your teeth today. Very good, children. Okay, so this girl is brushing her teeth with a toothbrush. So, to keep our body clean, we should brush every day. We should take baths every day. Okay, look at another picture. There is one more picture here. What is it? Yes, one boy is dressing. One boy is wearing clothes. So, it is also important to wear clean clothes every day. We should wear clean clothes every day to keep our body clean. Okay, one more picture is there. What is that? Yeah, it is a comb. All of you have comb with you? I have a comb with me. Yes, we are using comb to keep our hair tidy. Okay, so we should brush every day, we should take baths every day, we should wear clean clothes, and we should comb our hair. Then only we can keep our body clean. Okay, we should also keep our body healthy. We should keep our body healthy. We should be healthy. Then only we can resist illness. Okay, so we should take care of our body. That is our chapter. Our body needs care. Our body needs care. We should take care of our body. Then only it will be clean and healthy. Okay, so what are the things that we do every day to keep our body healthy? Yes, I can show you a picture. Please tell me what is this. Okay, look at the picture. What is she doing? Yes, one girl is eating food. Okay, so we must eat well to keep our body healthy. Another girl is drinking water. So we should drink a lot of water every day to keep our body healthy. So eating very well and drinking very well are important to keep our body healthy. All of you are eating well? All of you will drink water very well? Okay, all of you, all of us should eat good food, and all of us should drink a lot of water. Okay, another picture is there on the screen. What is this? Yes, some boys are playing football. We play a lot of games in our day-to-day life. We play cricket, we play badminton, we play football. Okay, so playing is an important thing to keep our body fit and healthy. Okay, so one more thing is there. What is that? Yeah, one boy is sleeping. So sleeping is also very necessary to keep our body healthy. So in order to keep our body clean, we should brush our teeth, we should take baths, we should wear clean clothes, and we should keep our hair clean. We should comb our hair. Okay, in order to keep our body healthy, to improve the health of our body, we should eat well, we should drink water, we should play every day, and we should sleep well. Okay, so these are the things that we should keep in mind to keep our body clean and healthy. So our body needs care. If we are not doing these things to our body, then our body will be dirty. Our body will be dirty, or our body will be unhealthy. So we should do all these things to keep our body healthy and clean. Okay, a textbook in page number 16, there is an activity. So all of you should do that activity and send it to your ma'am after doing. Okay, in that page, can you see some pictures? Yeah, there are 4 pictures in that page. What pictures are there in the page? Yeah, one toothbrush is there, one comb is there, one soap is there, one bath towel is there. Yeah, okay, we have to write for what we use all these things. Okay, one example is given to you in the page number 16. All of you read it. I use a towel to dry myself. I use a towel to dry myself. We use towel to dry our body. Like that, we have to write for what we use a toothbrush. Yes, you should say like I use a toothbrush to brush my teeth, to clean my teeth. Another picture is, yes, it is the picture of soap. For what we use soap? I use soap to clean my body. I use soap to wash my hands. I use soap to take baths. Okay, so a lot of things we are doing with different things. Okay, so another picture is comb. Yeah, for what we are using a comb? We are using a comb to keep our hair tidy. Okay, okay, so all of you should do the activity and send it to your ma'am. Okay, one more activity we can do today in our class. Okay, look at the next page. There is a matching activity. There are some sentences in column A, and in the next column there are some other sentences. We have to match the sentence in column A to the sentence in column B. Okay, are you ready? We can check. Okay, the first sentence is to clean my teeth. Are you looking in your textbook? Yes. So the first sentence is to clean my teeth. So what we will use to clean our teeth? Okay, tell me what we will use. Yes, we will use brush to clean our teeth. Please look at the column B. Is there any sentence with a brush? Yes, one sentence is there. To clean my teeth, I use a toothbrush. Okay. So, see the next sentence. What is that? When my hair is untidy. When my hair is untidy. When my hair is untidy, what we will use? Yes, I will use a comb to make it tidy. Okay, so please look at the text and read the sentence in column A and match that sentence to column B. Okay, to the sentence in column B. Okay, so please look at the text, read the sentence in column A, and there will be a matching sentence in column B. Find it out and match. Okay, so please do these activities and send it to your ma'am. Okay, now let me ask you some questions. All of you understood the lesson? Okay, all of you understood? All of you understood the chapter? Yes, let me ask you some questions. Are you ready? So, I am going to ask you, what will happen if we are not taking baths every day? What will happen if we don't take baths every day? We are not taking baths every day. So, what will happen? Yes, our body will be dirty. It will be untidy. Bad smells will come out of our body. Okay. So, we should take baths every day. Okay. So, let me ask you another question. What will happen if we don't cut our nails? We are not cutting our nails. What will happen then? Yeah, tell me. What will happen if we don't cut our nails? Yes, our nail will grow long and dirt will come inside the nail and it will be dirty. Yeah, so good students will cut their nails. Okay, so we should not let our nails grow long. Okay, then let me ask you another question. What will happen if we don't brush every day? What will happen if we don't brush at morning? Yeah, our teeth will be bad and bad smell will come out of our mouths. We can't talk to anybody. We can't talk to our friends because they will get a bad smell from our mouths if we don't brush every day. So, we should brush every day. One more question, let me ask you. What will happen if we don't wash our hands? What will happen if we don't wash our hands before eating food? Yeah, it's very dangerous. We know that coronavirus is everywhere. No, it may be there on our hands. So, we are using sanitizers and we are washing our hands when we go outside and when we come inside our home. Yes, if we are not using sanitizers and if we are not washing our hands, yes, dirt and other germs, other viruses will go inside our body along with our food. Then we will be unhealthy. Okay. So, all of you should take baths every day and we should not let our nails grow long and we should comb our hair, we should wash our hands before taking food and we should brush every day. Then only we will be good students with good habits. Okay, do you understand? Okay. So, now I tell you one more thing. Are you ready? Are you ready to do what I am going to say? Yes. Now, we are using a lot of objects. We are using toothbrush every day. We are using soap. We are using towel. We are using comb. Okay. Now, think what are the things that you are using every day. And I tell you to draw the pictures of all the things you are using every day. So, please draw the pictures of everything you are using in a day. So, draw the picture of a toothbrush, draw the picture of a soap, draw the picture of a towel, draw the picture of a comb and draw the picture of other items that we are using every day and send it to your ma'am. So, to keep our body healthy, what are the things that we have to do? Yes, we should eat well, we should drink water, we should play every day and we should sleep well. Okay. So, we have to keep our body clean and healthy, then only we should be good students. Okay. So, we are concluding today's class. Please do all these activities and send it to your ma'am. Okay. Bye bye. See you. Assalamu alaikum.
അൽബേർ സ്കൂൾ സമസ്ത കേരള ഇസ്ലാം മത വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ ബോർഡ് വരക്കൽ കോംപ്ലക്സ് കോയ റോഡ് പുതിയങ്ങാടി കാലിക്കറ്റ് ഫോൺ 0495239151 9061559827 school albir@gmail.com